Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video, and this video will be kind of a haul. It's because, actually I'm a quite frequent traveler, as you know, and as I'm mostly traveling to beachy places and where there's water, or like at a spa retreatment like I'm in one now, on my pictures there are a lot of swimsuit wear, beachwear, stuff like that, and people tend to ask like where I get this bikini from and stuff like that. So I thought it would be a good thing to show you where I get my swimsuits from, especially because I got a new package from Cupshe. So I thought I'd show you the pieces I got, and maybe it's like a little inspiration for you. So let's start right away. We are talking about these cute little pieces here. This is the first one out of 4 actually, and as you can see, it's like a flower print, which I like quite a lot, and it's peachy tone, so it's quite good for beach vibes and like a positive vibe. And so I like this quite a lot. It has some cups here that like will give you like a good shape, and yeah, I think this will flatter the body. It's quite nice, has a ribbon on the back. So yeah, this is the first one. I have a quite similar one here as well. It's a bit different in the back, as it has no ribbon in the back. You will see it in the video, and it has also these cups, and like with this little cutout here, and it is actually a neck holder, which is quite nice, with also a flower print on it. And I think this could be quite nice for also a beach party or something like that. Could combine it with a kaftan, which is like to wear it over the swimsuit, or you wear like a black colette or something like that, something that is like a bit more loose, and yeah, you can wear it kind of as a top and also like as a full outfit. So I think this can be quite flexible when you wear it, so it's quite nice. I like the pattern quite a lot. And the next is another swimsuit, the last one. This one is also with a peachy tone. I liked it quite a lot lately, and it has these green stripes, which is a good contrast, I think, and it has this big cutout under the bra, the top area. So you will see it in the video. It looks quite nice, has the ribbon in the back as well, and a neck holder stripe here. So I think it looks quite nice, and it's also like summer tones, and I like this quite a lot. And the last one is actually a bikini, but it is with high waist pants, so it flatters your body quite a lot, which is quite nice. I like that, especially if you don't feel that comfortable wearing a bikini. This is a quite good solution, and it's also in this light peachy tone with the floral print, and the top is like in a dark green tone with a ribbon in the front with some details here, and yeah, like a normal clothing in the back. So it's quite nice. I've chosen these because they're fitting quite well for my next trips. So I'm always looking for the swimsuits and beachwear and stuff like that regarding the trips I've planned, or based on the trips I have planned. So yeah, you can be excited about the next trips, about the next videos. I will wear them. You will see them in the videos, and yeah, so if you like them, check the shop. It's quite nice. I will definitely order some more swimsuits and stuff like that, because I like this stuff so much, and it flatters your body so much. It's really nice, fits good, and yeah, actually like kind of really pretty. I like them. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah, you see in a couple of days. Bye bye.